high income skills in the USA. And I'm going to show you exactly what I recommend, guys. And that's digital marketing. Highly searched career that everyone's looking into is hot. It's been hot for years because a lot of people are just burnt out and overworked, and they simply need an extra source of income. And a lot of people want to work from home, especially ones with kids. They want to be home with their kids. They want to enjoy holidays. They just want to enjoy their life, especially if the kids are in school. You'll have so many hours of just free time being able to just do whatever it is you want. So I'm going to show you guys a product that I recommend, and it's the Digital Growth Academy or community, and specifically the Legacy Builder program. They have different programs. They have the Legacy, which is the biggest one. They have the Blueprint. They have Digital Mastery. Then they have the Launchpad. The Launchpad is just really what it says: launching your business, understanding marketing, understanding resale rights, understanding, how all of this works and how to set up an automated system, and a little bit on how to promote on social media, and the basic ways to start getting some traffic. When you start getting into these bigger packages, you'll have all that I just mentioned, and then you'll have some way deeper dives, like here, start your empire, social media. We've seen that, grow a following, how to make 100% profit from people's products that are not yours. Probably the biggest training in this. This is so key. You have so many trainers, and you see the list goes on. So what I love about this is we really preach automation. So when people go to my website, I don't have to sell them. I don't have to tell them. I literally send them here, and they learn everything they need to learn about the product. And before this, they go through 2 videos that breaks down testimonials, more what's going on in the community, how you're going to be working this product. And you get a bird's eye view of what's going to be in the product on this website. And I actually put a chat in here. This is my own third-party software. You're not going to have this, but I put a chat bot in here just so you guys can ask me any questions. And here's some bonuses, and then another one of my personal ones that I'm throwing in. And then you see the breakdown of the community. You see the products. This is the choice that you're gonna make right here. This is the biggest and the hardest part of this, making the decision. So there's 4 programs. The main one is $900, and then you have a 600, you have 300, and 100. I always recommend a 600 and 900 just because you want everything. You don't want to be someone that comes in this industry with missing pieces and you're trying to put it all together. You want everything you need, plus one sale a day is gonna upgrade your income dramatically within a month. This is crazy high tickets, but what you don't know is a lot of people are able to start these programs. You're looking at $900 like, oh my gosh, it's the holidays. But a lot of people who, took care of their credit, and sometimes not even so much took care of their credit, but they've been able to get with these companies like Klarna, Afterpay, get an 18 monthly payment, a little high in the APR, but it's only $58 a month to get a product that's supposed to help you make money. So one $900 sale, you can pay this all off. A second $900 sale, you're in profit. 2 sales, you're in profit. And then after that, it's just fair game. On the back end of this, you see right here, we have a $29 website fee. So you can get what I'm showing you right now on this website. And then you can get our capture page system that you can edit if you want. But a lot of people just keep it the same, where you can collect emails. And then they're going to watch these videos. They're going to do all the selling for you. And we actually show you how to upload this to a new YouTube account. So you're going to make a YouTube account, upload this video, and then you're going to get views and watch hours from these videos, and then eventually get monetized on YouTube. Then they're going to come to this next page, and she's going to do all the selling for you. And then you're going to end up right where we left off. And they're going to make that decision to purchase. And then we give you emails that are going to do the follow-up for you, because most people don't purchase right away. Most people just aren't ready. So they're going to get emails, daily emails, and then they're eventually going to purchase. And this is how you make money without being on a computer all day. So it's really that simple, guys. It's actually going to be the video that I include in my Vlogmas Day 9. So you guys are getting a lot of information on how to make money online during this Vlogmas. And make sure if you're watching this on YouTube, you subscribe, thumbs up, and stay tuned for more information.